There are several ways to shoot with the Go2, and in this video I'm going to show you how to shoot with it independently out of the case, including how to remap the button pushes and also how to set up quick capture mode. So let's get straight to it. In order to shoot this way, you first need to jump into the settings in the app, so let's do that first. So first, take your camera out of the charge case and long press the button on the front of the Go2 for a couple of seconds. And this button can be referred to as the action button or the record button. Ensure that your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi are turned on your phone. Open up the Insta360 app and press the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. To connect for the first time, you have to press the action record button on the camera to confirm, or click the tick icon that will come up on the remote control. Once you are connected, press the cog settings icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And now go to button settings. Here you will see options that can be changed for quick capture, as well as single and double press action button settings. Quick capture is for when the camera is off and you press the button on the camera, and then the camera will turn on, start recording for the duration that you've set, and then turn off again. You can set quick capture for a single press by going to Quick Cap 1. Select Quick Cap 1 and then select the shooting mode here. You can choose between standard photo, interval, night shot, star lapse, video, pro video, HDR video, time lapse, time shift and slow motion. So for this example we'll choose pro video. Now you can change the specs of that mode by selecting video specs, so you can change the frame rate, the resolution and the aspect ratio, so 16:9 or 9:16. And finally you can change the capture time, so this is how long the camera will record for once you press the record action button. And once the camera reaches that time, it will then stop recording and then turn off. And you can now do the same for Quick Cap 2. Quick Cap 2 activates when you double press the record action button when the camera is off. You can also change the shooting mode here for when the camera is already on. And again, you can change settings for a single press of the button or a double press. And a quick tip here for assigning these buttons: if there's only one record mode that you want to shoot in, then you can set every button push to that record mode. So I usually shoot in Pro mode at 1440p at 50 frames per second. So if I set all of the button pushes to that mode, then no matter how many times I press the button, in whatever circumstances, whether the camera's on or off, I know that it will turn on or start recording in that mode. This video is part of my complete beginner's guide to using the Go2, which you can watch here. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.